today, but you know Oregon has one of the worst ratios of students to nurses in the whole country.
So our Jennifer Dowling getting answers into this nurse-to-student ratio. What's causing the shortage?
A spokesperson for Portland Public Schools said they would like to see more nurses in their school buildings. But the Oregon Nurses Association says it really comes down to how the state is spending your tax dollars.
Right now, we're looking at one school nurse for more than 4,000 students.
When it comes to caring for our students in Oregon public schools, Oregon isn't making the grade. Kevin Mealy of the Oregon Nurses Association says the state still has a long way to go to bring the nursing numbers up to the goal set back in 2009.
We think of ourselves as a progressive state, but we're 49th in student nurses. What does that indicate to you?
Well, I think it indicates that there's more work to be done.
The national recommendations, one nurse for every 750 students, a goal Oregon would like to reach by 2020. Right now, there's only one for every 4,667 students.
Currently, a nurse might not be in every school, so if an emergency happens when you only have one nurse for every 4,000 students, there may not be one nurse on that campus that is having the healthcare emergency.
We have nurses who have up to 10,000 students that they're responsible for.
Steve Moore, School Health Services Supervisor and President of the Oregon School Nurses Association, says nurses wind up training secretaries, teachers, and other staff to pick up the slack.
Having to delegate to people, knowing that if this person does not follow the instructions, that it's their license on the line.
Mealy says committing state dollars for nurses has been the biggest roadblock.
So currently it comes out of the state school fund, which can put school nurses in competition with teachers and other education needs.
The state school nurse task force had its first meeting in March. Mealy's hoping that they identify a funding source soon. In Portland, Jennifer Dowling.